Welcome back to LexV Designs. I'm so happy to see you today again. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to use a simple sewing machine that is very beginner friendly. So if this is what you're interested to learn how to do, please stay tuned and watch to the end of this video so you can know how to use this sewing machine. This sewing machine is very beginner friendly and anybody can use it. Even a beginner, a learner, an expert can use this sewing machine. And I'm going to tell you the advantages of using this sewing machine as well as showing you how to use this sewing machine. So let's get started. So first of all, we're going to be knowing how to thread this sewing machine. Now you can see my thread is already here. This is the point where your thread would be. Okay, for this in using this sewing machine, this is my stopper. This stops the thread from moving out. Okay, I hope this is very clear. This stops the thread from falling out because as the tension is being used here and you are sewing here, okay, let me draw this tension a bit. You can see that the thread is coming up from here. Now if it's moving with speed, there is a speed that it will move with. It will now be dragging this thread out. Okay, so this stopper prevents this thread from falling out. Okay, so once you want to thread your sewing machine, what you have to do first is to start from this end. Okay, I want to start from this end. I'll put my thread through this. You can see it is coming off. I will now use this stopper to stop it from falling out. Okay, so after I've secured my thread, I will now move to the next one. So I want to go to this next one. You can see even an arrow is here. Okay, so this is the arrow. Okay, so the arrow will direct you on where next to go from this point. Now I'm going to put my thread in between. There is a space here. Let me come closer a bit. Now there is a space here among in between this arrow, please. So I'm going to put this thread just this way. Okay, so you can see that it's secured this way. Now you can also go ahead and go this way, but for me, with my experience in using this machine, I always go this way, directly from here to this point. Okay, now after going through this point, hooking it through this area, there is a hook. This is a hook. Okay, this is a hook. Now all you are going to be doing is to go down here. Okay, can you see what I just did? I went from here. You can also see the arrow guides you. Okay, the arrow guides you. You can see where the arrow pointed at after this point. After you put in your thread through here, the arrow pointed down. So I'm following down and I'm coming. There's also an arrow here. It may not be that clear, but there's an arrow here showing that after going this way, you now go up. Okay, so after going up, after this point, you just come down here again, then go up. Okay, now this is the point where you need to use your side pedal. Okay, this handle rather. So you can see the way I'm rotating it. I'm rotating it so that this thing comes up. You can see that it was down before. Okay, so I rotated it so that it comes up. Then I will now insert this thread to come at the back of here to be secured inside this area. So once it has hooked, you will now go ahead to put your thread into your needle. So after putting your thread through your needle, you are now free to go ahead and sew. So this is it. The other compartment of this machine is this area that allows you to stitch back, to lock your stitch, to sew backward. This is it. This button allows you to lock your stitch. Okay, this is also a cutter at this side. Okay, now I'm going to cut it so you can see how it works. This is my thread. I'm going to cut it this way so you can see that it cuts my thread. So when you are sewing and you need your scissors is not close by, you need to cut something, just drag the thing here and it cuts. So I've cut out my thread. Now this is also somewhere that you used to lift. This is a handle you used to lift this in order to put your fabric. Okay, very simple to do. Now this is where you control your stitches. Okay, you control the tightness, how to lock it. So also at this end, this second button, you can see that there are two this side. You can see them. This first one moves your sewing machine. This first one moves your sewing machine, while this second one changes your stitches. Now these are the number of stitches available on this machine. Look at them. There is a buttonhole, there's different type of stitches, different types of zigzag, and all these designs are here. Okay, so this is it. If you can see this place, so if you look closely, as I move this, the stitches change. Okay, so this is how it will be till you get to whatever stitch you want to use. Okay, so this is how it works. This part is for threading your reel. Okay, instead of you to be holding just like the manual machine, reeling it manually, all you have to do, let me insert this, because okay, before then you can see the compartment of this side anyway. So this is how this side looks. You can see the way I slided it out. You can slide out and slide in very easily. Okay, now the machine comes with a plastic rail, and then other things that can help you, other stuff that you will see here, other accessories, machine accessories. Now this plastic rail now is what you put here. Move this thing this way. You can see the way I moved it. Before you can put it, you have to move it this way, then secure it, then move with your reel. Okay, pedal your machine. As you're pedaling it, okay, this will be reeling. All you have to do is to direct it. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now to remove it again, I'll send it back, pull it out, then secure it back before I move my machine. Okay, you have to also send it back. So I'll be putting this back. If I put this back, when you open here, this is where you change your reel, your shuttle, and all that. You secure it inside this place. Now I've shown you this area, I've shown you this side. This area, this is for plugging in. Okay, all you have to do, this is it. It has three sides facing this way. I don't know if all of them are going to be like this, but this is how mine came. So it has these three sides facing like this. These three sides facing up, not this side. I'm going to plug in with this side facing upward. I'll plug it in. Okay, and once you plug it in, you plug your other head to your socket and you go ahead and switch it on, because it has a switch by the side. Once you switch it on, you go ahead and sew. Move your pedal. Okay, move it with the tempo you want to sew with. Okay, so I'm just looking if there is anything that hasn't shown you at the back. This is how the back looks. Okay, this is how the back looks. Nothing is complicated here. And this is the front. So this is quite beginner friendly. This machine is very beginner friendly.